Hey everyone, it's MrJordilicious again, back with another quick stream tip video. In today's video I want to show you a very easy way if you want to use a secondary webcam but you don't have the money or the possibilities to actually hook up a second webcam to your stream. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to be using our mobile phones and a piece of software called EpocCam. I'm going to show it today on an iPhone, but of course this also works if you have an Android phone. Now of course, if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you get a notification anytime a new video is being put up. So for now, let's jump into it and let's find out how we can use our phones as a secondary webcam on our streams. So in order to actually use our phone as a webcam, we first have to download a tool on our phone. So before we jump into our PC, let's go ahead and open our phones so we can actually do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your App Store and there you will look for a tool called EpocCam. Click that and there you see there's two versions. There's a paid version of $8.99 and there's a free version. For now we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the free version. Download that. Make sure that it's installed on your phone and then we can actually go ahead on our PC. Okay, once you've downloaded the tool on your phone, you also need to download a driver for your PC. So in order to do that, go to your browser and go to the website kinoni.com. There you can click on this Get Started Now button and it will tell you exactly what you need to do in 4 simple steps. So first you need to connect your computer and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network and you need to download the drivers. Click here to download your Windows drivers or click here to download your macOS drivers. If you've done that, make sure you install them and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so we've downloaded the app on our phone, we've installed the drivers on our PC. Now the only thing that we have to do is make sure that we can actually see the feed from our phone in OBS. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go down here in our source menu, click the plus sign and select video capture device. From there you can use any name that you want. I'm going to go with EpocCam. Click OK. And here you will see a drop down of all the available devices. We're going to choose EpocCam camera. All the other things we're going to leave the same. Click OK. And then once you've done that, you will see this screen appear in your source, meaning that you have successfully implemented the EpocCam feed into OBS. Now of course we still don't see anything. In order to do that, we're going to go back to our phone and we're going to open up the EpocCam app. We're going to open that up. Now since we've opted for the free version, you may be prompted to see a few advertisements which you can luckily click away pretty easily. And then once you've done that, you will actually see a screen showcasing that you are connecting to your Wi-Fi network and to your PC. So make sure that both your phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise you may run into issues. There we go, and as you can see now, we are connected, we are live, and you can actually see the feed from my phone into OBS. So as you can see, you can move the screen around and it's a live feed. It's a pretty good feed. Of course, if your Wi-Fi connection is not as stable, you can always choose to connect this with a USB cable into your PC for a more reliable feed. But I found that for me, my situation works quite well when I just use my phone over the Wi-Fi network. Now within the app, you also have the choice to mirror your camera horizontally, and you can also choose to use your back camera as well if you want to show anything from your back camera instead of your selfie camera. Now of course, if you want to, you can always apply certain filters, change the position and size of your source, the same way that you do with other webcam or video capture device sources within OBS, but these are the basics to show you how you can get your phone as a webcam within OBS. And there you have it, a very easy way for you to use your phones as a webcam if you don't have the money or the possibilities to hook up a secondary webcam into your streams. You can use this for instance if you want to show a different angle in your stream, or if you want to use a webcam but your regular webcam is being used by another tool such as FaceRig. This way you can still show your viewers exactly what you want to show without having to disconnect your regular webcam. Now of course there's a little pro tip that I want to show you so you can take this to the next level. Now of course your regular webcam is usually put up on your monitor just like this one over here, so it has a fixed position. Now to make it a little bit more pleasant for your viewers to look at, here's a few tips for you so you can still put your phone in a fixed position. One thing that you can use is some people have something like a pop socket. I'm using this thing in my case over here. As you can see, it flips out and I can set my phone down on my desk and it will definitely not wobble, it will stay this way, and it's going to be easy to choose a fixed position for my phone to stay in. Now if you want to put your phone a little bit higher, there's also something like this that you can buy. This is a very simple and cheap phone mount. As you can see, you can bend these and therefore you can put them in the position that you can very easily elevate your phone, and it makes it easier to actually show them a little bit more higher. Now if you want to take a next step up from this thing, there's also something like this, which is a bigger and more professional pod. This is called a Gorilla Pod. This is a model you can use on a regular camera, but they also make models that you can actually use specifically for mobile phones. So I will link all of these down in the description below, so you can check them out and see which of these works for your situation. And there you have it. If you are looking for a quick, easy and cheap way to use a second webcam into your streams, this is a way to do it. Just use your phone and a piece of software and you are good to go. Now of course, if you have any questions about this video or any other video that I've made, you can always find me on Twitter and Discord, and I stream every Monday, Tuesday and Friday on Twitch, so you can always come in and ask me any questions you have over there. Now again, if you want to support my channel and you like this kind of video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And with that, all that is left for me to say is, my name is MrJordilicious, please stay delicious, and I will hopefully see you again in the next quick stream tip video. For now, take care and bye bye.